The year is 2026, and Apple is already shaping the next revolution in smartphones. The iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just another upgrade, it's Apple's silent signal that the future is arriving faster than we think. From mind-bending performance to design choices that blur the line between art and technology, everything about this phone screams innovation. But what's real? What's rumor? And what could truly change the way we use our iPhones forever? Let's dive in. First things first. The design. Apple has been refining its premium aesthetic for years, but leaks now suggest the iPhone 18 Pro Max might introduce something visually breathtaking: a semi-translucent back panel. Imagine holding your iPhone and subtly seeing the elegant circular MagSafe coil glow through the glass. Not flashy, just futuristic, like peeking inside the soul of Apple's craftsmanship. According to industry whispers, this finish won't just be for looks. It'll help with heat dissipation and signal performance. It's sleek. It's functional. It's Apple, reimagined. Now, remember how the dynamic island redefined the notch? The iPhone 18 Pro Max might take that one step further with a smaller, more discreet cutout, possibly the final step before Apple achieves full under-display Face ID. Not this year, maybe not even next, but the pieces are falling into place. And with thinner bezels wrapping around that edge-to-edge OLED display, we might be looking at the most immersive iPhone screen ever created. A display so smooth, so vivid it feels alive in your hand, but it's not just what you see, it's what's inside. The beating heart of the iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to be the A20 Pro chip, built on a cutting-edge 2-nanometer process. That's smaller, faster, and far more efficient than anything Apple has done before. Think about that for a second. We're talking about a processor that could deliver console-level graphics performance while sipping less power than ever. In real life, that means apps launch instantly, games feel cinematic, and even heavy AI tasks like real-time translation or generative editing happen in the blink of an eye. This chip isn't just faster, it's smarter, designed for the new era of on-device intelligence. Apple is clearly betting big on AI. Leaks suggest iOS 20, which will debut alongside the iPhone 18 series, will bring AI-powered photo retouching, real-time voice assistance upgrades, and custom automation tools that learn from how you use your phone. Imagine Siri that actually anticipates what you need, sending texts, adjusting settings, or writing your emails with the same intuition as a human assistant. The A20 Pro chip makes that possible, running advanced neural models right on your phone without cloud lag or privacy risks. Speaking of privacy, Apple's new C2 modem is said to be fully custom-built. Unlike the Qualcomm modems used before, this one is 100% Apple silicon, optimized for low power and lightning-fast 6G readiness. Yep, you heard that right. 6G testing has already begun. So while we may still be deep in the 5G era, the iPhone 18 Pro Max might be the first device designed to step seamlessly into the next wave of connectivity. Faster data, better signal stability, and longer battery life, all wrapped in Apple's signature efficiency. Now let's talk about what most people care about: the cameras. Apple's photography game has always been elite, but the iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to change the rules again with a variable aperture main sensor. This is huge. It means your camera can automatically shift between a wider aperture for night shots and a narrower one for sharp daylight scenes. Just like a professional DSLR, you'll get cinematic depth of field without losing detail. Combine that with advanced computational imaging, and you're looking at a phone that could challenge mirrorless cameras. Expect better low-light performance, richer contrast, and next-level portrait realism, all powered by Apple's improved photonic engine and AI optimization. And don't be surprised if Apple introduces something. We've been waiting years for true optical. Zoom beyond 10x, with a periscope lens rumored to have even greater range and clarity. Your photos will look sharper, cleaner, and more natural than ever. Add in 8K video recording at stable frame rates and better color correction for cinematic editing, and this phone might become every content creator's dream device. Now let's touch on performance and thermals. Apple's engineers know that more power usually means more heat, but leaks suggest the iPhone 18 Pro Max could debut a vapor chamber cooling system, keeping the device cool even during intense gaming or video rendering. So those long sessions of editing 4K footage or streaming high-end games via Apple Arcade. No throttling, no lag, just smooth, consistent performance. Battery life is another massive focus. The combination of the 2nm A20 Pro chip, the new C2 modem, and refined battery chemistry could lead to the longest-lasting iPhone ever. Some insiders hint that we might finally see an iPhone that can push close to 2 full days on a single charge with moderate use. Add in faster wireless charging speeds and improved MagSafe accessories, and the convenience factor shoots through the roof. Let's talk durability for a second. While Apple is unlikely to completely abandon its traditional aluminum and titanium blend, we might see a subtle evolution, possibly a new titanium alloy frame with higher scratch resistance and better grip. Combine that with the rumored self-healing coating on the glass. Yes, you heard that right. A coating that can reduce micro-scratches over time using heat and light. And the iPhone 18 Pro Max could be the toughest iPhone ever made. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Apple's potential new translucent color palette. Think of finishes like frosted midnight blue, electric pearl, and solar titanium. These colors are said to shift slightly depending on the light angle. Subtle, elegant, and utterly mesmerizing. It's not loud like the competition's flashy gradient phones. It's Apple elegance, elevated. Of course, all these leaks point to one big question. How much will it cost? Early pricing speculation places the iPhone 18 Pro Max starting around $1,299 USD, depending on configuration. With storage potentially topping out at a massive 2 TB, Apple is clearly catering to professionals, content creators, and power users who want the best of everything. But despite the price, Apple's reputation for longevity and ecosystem strength ensures that millions will still line up to upgrade. Now, what about the release timeline? Apple traditionally holds its launch events in September, but rumors hint at a potential split launch window, with the Pro models in fall 2026, and the regular iPhone 18 lineup coming early in 2027. This could give Apple room to spotlight the Pro Max as the flagship hero device, with exclusive early launch attention, smart move, and classic Apple strategy. But here's the thing. Some reports claim Apple might delay the regular iPhone 18 entirely to focus on something even bigger. Its first foldable iPhone, expected in 2026. That's right, a foldable device that could coexist alongside the Pro Max lineup. If true, this means the iPhone 18 Pro Max won't just be the next step, it'll be the bridge to the next era of iPhones, and that's why this phone matters so much. The iPhone 18 Pro Max might not reinvent the wheel, but it's setting the stage for Apple's boldest future yet, one powered by AI, super efficiency, and intelligent design. Each rumor paints a piece of a larger picture. Apple is building a smartphone that feels alive, one that learns, adapts, and evolves with you. So, whether it's the translucent design, the variable aperture camera, or the ultra-fast A20 Pro chip, everything we're hearing about this phone signals a new chapter in Apple's innovation story. And if history tells us anything, it's that when Apple goes quiet, something big is coming. So what do you think? Is Apple finally about to deliver the futuristic iPhone we've been waiting for, or are these leaks just wishful dreams? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed diving into the world of Apple leaks and future tech, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the iPhone 18 Pro Max could redefine what a smartphone can be. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and keep your eyes on the future, because the future is almost here.